Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have an episode for you of Try It, Don't Buy It. Today, I'm going to show you a selfie printer by Canon. This is a Selphy CP1300, and I have to tell you all about it. It's little and tiny and compact, and what happens is you open it up right here like this, and you just take your paper and you stick it in there like that, and then you just plug it in. Now, what's amazing about this is it is all done now wirelessly. So I can take photographs on my phone, and then I can shoot them to the Selfie printer, and it just prints and prints and prints. Now, I do a lot of photographic stuff because we do things like paper dolls, where we take kids' pictures, we cut their little heads out, put them on paper dolls, and then they get to color them, and they're really super, super cute. We do all kinds of photo albums, all kinds of scavenger hunts, that kind of stuff, and the Selfie printer is perfect for that sort of stuff. What I want to show you is some of the great stuff that you can do with the Selfie. So this is just a regular, 4x6 picture, and it prints with or without a border. And then what's great with the new app is that you can break it into two pictures with borders. You can do 4 pictures to a page, 4 pictures with borders. So you can see all these different sizes. Then you can even get little tiny versions of it. This is really, really fun. This is 8 to a page. So, if you are, and here's with borders, if you are doing like little scrapbooks, or if you're doing something where you want to give kids pictures at a birthday party, or you want to give pictures to people at like an anniversary or something, this is an amazing little printer. And then you can even do black borders and black backgrounds, which are great as well. And as you can see, there's so many different options, even this one, which is called the Shuffle, which puts 20 pictures onto one little page like this, kind of very Instagrammy. So there's lots and lots and lots of ways that you can print with this little printer. What I love about it is it's very compact. It's not very expensive. This one I got on Amazon for $100 basically. The ink cartridges and the paper come together in a pack that does about 108 photographs. I will tell you this, they say it does 108. I'm going to tell you that it probably does more like 90, because the ink cartridges, what happens is they put a layer down of yellow, then red, then blue, and then a clear coat. And sometimes you go through a little bit more of that than I think it says that you get. I think that you really get about 90 photos, not 108. So if you're going to purchase the packages, make sure that you know that you're going to get a little less than 108. Don't plan on 108 pictures. But as far as this being a try it, don't buy it item, I am all about the Selfie. I started with selfies like 10 years ago, and I've been using them ever since, and this is my upgraded version, and I have to tell you that I think the Selfie CP1300 or 1300, whichever you want to say, is a definite try it. Now, if you want more try it, don't buy it, make sure that you check us out at sophie-world.com, because we've got tons and tons of different products that I try out, that I use in my business all the time, and I let you know if I think that you should try it or don't buy it. For more great things, check us out, sophie-world.com.